In case if you have made certain searches by putting some term here or by looking for some people, then you will see the searches will show in this drop down menu. Then you can see the searches here which you have recently made. So if you want to clear the recent searches, then what you do is go to this menu option at the bottom, then go to settings and privacy, go to settings again here, then scroll down and you need to go to the activity log option here. After that, select category here, scroll down, and then you need to look for search history. So this will show you whatever searches you have made. So if you want to clear all the searches, select clear searches. Now the searches are cleared. The other thing what you need to do is you need to log out of your Facebook application and then again log in. So I will input my password here. So once I have logged into my Facebook, if I tap on this search box here, now there are no recent searches showing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.